Hello everybody, this is the 30th lecture for the IELTS. Today we are going to take gaps. We have a question which says write no more than 2 words and or a number for each answer. That means you may write 1 word or 2 words, and you may write a number. And also you may write 2 words with a number is regarded as 2 words only, because the number is not a regard in counting. Number 1 says the opening celebrations for Chinese New Year are being held at Gap. Number 2, the children's fair lasts for Gap. 3, tickets for Nigel Kennedy cost less if you buy them Gap. 4, today's performance of Madame Butterfly is the last in the series of Gap. Number 5, you cannot turn up for the skateboarding lessons without a gap. You cannot turn up, that means you cannot go. Number 6, Trevor Walker was influenced by the different types of gap in the French Natural History Museum. It's about 5 very different things to do this weekend. Okay, let's come to the answers. Chinese New Year. Ringing the Year of the Dog this weekend as the local Chinese community kicks off Chinese New Year. Belmont Park is the venue for a kids' fair. Okay, Belmont Park is the venue, means is the place. So we have number 1, the opening celebrations for Chinese New Year are being held at Belmont Park, because it says Belmont Park is the venue. Okay, let's go on. So number 1 will be Belmont Park. Music, acrobats, a show of Chinese dog breeds, and a marker with Asian cuisine runs over the 2 days. The children's fair lasts for 2 days. So the answer of number 2 will be 2 days, because it says it will continue to 2 days. It will stay for 2 days. It will be held for 2 days. 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. with more activities scheduled for later in the week in Chinatown. Okay, we come now, before going to the second paragraph of this passage, we have, let's remind you of the answers. Number 1 will be Belmont Park, and number 2 will be 2 days. Nigel Kennedy. We have number 3 says, the gap number 3 says, tickets for Nigel Kennedy cost less if you buy them. Okay, the UK violinist who meshes a rock star persona with violin virtuosity brings his magnificent repertoire of Vivaldi's music to town tonight, 8 p.m. and Monday night, 7 p.m. For bookings, ring 0282154699 or reserve your seats online and save the telephone booking fee. Reserve your seats online and save the telephone booking fee. Tickets also available at the door, Opera House, Concert Hall. Number 3 says tickets for Nigel Kennedy cost less if you buy them online. Why? Number 3 we put online, because it says reserve your seats online and save the telephone booking fee. That means it will be less. Okay, says today's performance of Madame Butterfly is the last in the series of Gap, Opera in the Park. Last but not least in the season of outdoor concerts is this stunning production of Madame Butterfly. So the answer will be outdoor concerts, because it says last but not least in the season of outdoor concerts. So the answer will be outdoor concerts. Okay, Let's go on now with Russian soprano Elena Pokina performance starts 8 p.m. admission free. Number 5 says you cannot turn up for the skateboarding lessons without a. Let's come. Skateboarding lessons. Skateboard lessons. Use the last weekend of the school holidays to improve your board skills. 4 sessions today and tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. $30 a lesson. Helmets and knee pads recommended. Moorpark Skate School. Booking essential. 1-800-509-09956. Okay, let's come in. I know that some of you would say helmets and knee pads, but this is not the answer. Why? Because it says recommended. Recommended, that means it's just like a piece of advice, so it means it's not a must. The answer here will be booking. Why? Because it says essential. Essential means it's a must. So number 5 says you cannot turn up for the skateboarding lessons without a booking. You cannot. That means it's a must. And we have booking essential. That means booking is a must. So number 5 will be a must. Booking. Do not forget, recommended means it's up to you. It's just a piece of advice. It's not a must. So helmets and knee pads are wrong answers for the reason which I have just explained. Number 6, the last one. Trevor Walker was influenced by the different types of gap in the French Natural History Museum. Let's look for the answer. Feathered images. These paintings and sculptures emerged from Trevor Walker's time spent at the Natural History Museum of France, whose collection includes some 80,000 specimens of birds. Daily, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. free. Eden Gardens, Lane Cove Road, North Right. So the answer will be birds. Why? Whose collection includes some 80,000 specimens of birds. That means kinds of birds. So the answer will be birds. Okay, let me tell you the answers from the beginning. Number 1 will be Belmont Park. Number 2 will be 2 days. Number 3, online. Number 4, outdoor concerts. Number 5, booking. And number 6, birds. And I have just explained the reason for choosing those answers. Okay, if you like this lecture, please press the button of subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. If you have any criticism, please write it in the comments too. Thank you for watching this lecture. That was Mr Haidar ALcasseer with you.